Experience pure shower genius with the Curve from Oxygenics, a one-of-a-kind rain shower that's specifically designed to maximize coverage with 3 different settings. The unique waterfall setting will envelop you with a sheet of water that you have to feel to believe. Each setting is powered by patented Oxygenics technology that increases the feeling of pressure while maximizing efficiency. Water is introduced into a pressure chamber that works like a mini turbine jet, increasing water velocity. Water then passes through an air vacuum at high speed, infusing oxygen into each drop. The pressurized combination of water and oxygen is released, using less water without sacrificing performance. Every shower head is built to last and comes with our Never Clog guarantee. Oxygenics, now that's pure shower genius.